Take one pink jade pipe cleaner, starting 5 centimeters from the end. Fold it 5 times in a row, each fold about 1 centimeter. Twist the end tightly, wrap the longer side upward, then twist the end again to secure. Make 2 petals of the same small size. Take a pink jade pipe cleaner and bend it at 5.5 centimeters from one end. Using the same method as for the small petals, make 4 medium petals. Cut 4 pink jade pipe cleaners, each 10 centimeters long, and 1 pink jade pipe cleaner 20 centimeters long. Starting at the 7.5 centimeters mark of the 20 centimeters pipe cleaner, wrap and secure the 4 shorter pieces onto it one by one. Align all the pipe cleaners in the same direction, then use the longest piece to wrap tightly and secure them. Fold the top edge of the petals into a wavy shape. Make a total of 5 large petals. Measure 5 centimeters from one end of the green pipe cleaner and bend it at that point, then wrap the tail to secure. Adjust the shape into an S-curve. Using the same method, make 6 of them. Secure the 2 small petals with elastic cord, then attach the medium and large petals one by one around the outside. Finally, attach the 5 sepals to the base of the petals, and trim the pipe cleaner tails to different lengths. Take a stem and secure the flower to the top with elastic cord. Stretch the tape slightly to activate the adhesive.